Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We are here with a tutorial on how to fund your account at Taurex Broker. As you saw, we registered and successfully verified our identity at this broker, and now we intend to fund our account. For this, when we are on the main page of the broker, we can click on the Advanced option. And on the next page, we need to select the desired unit for the deposit. In the next section, you can choose your desired deposit amount from the given options, or you can manually enter the amount you want to deposit here. After entering this amount, click on the next option. On the next page, you need to choose from the various methods for crypto deposits, and on the following page, you need to select USDT as your desired unit. After selecting the unit for the deposit, the exact amount will be displayed to you, and you will click on the deposit option. In the next section, you need to choose the TRC20 network for depositing USDT from the various networks available. Then, the destination address and the exact amount needed for the deposit will be displayed to you. You will enter your wallet for the mobile phone. You select the desired asset, which is Tether on the Tron network, and then click on the Send option. In the first section, you enter the destination address, and in the second section, you enter the desired amount for the deposit. Or you can easily scan the displayed QR code by clicking on this option and complete the deposit operation. You click on Next. On the next page, the sender's address, destination address, transaction fee, and total amount will be displayed to you. After clicking on Confirm and entering your password, the deposit operation will be successfully completed. After completing the deposit process, you will return to the broker's page and wait for the deposit process to finish. And as you can see, after a few minutes, the deposit operation will be successfully completed. The details of this transaction will be displayed to you on the next page. Alternatively, you can view the details of your transaction in full in the My Wallet section, Transaction History, by specifying the desired date and clicking on the Submit option. This was the tutorial on charging an account using the TRC20 Tether method. For more tutorials about this broker, stay with us. Take care.